Hello everyone, I'm Navneet from Just Evaluate, and today I take up the second question of PTE Speaking section, that is repeat sentence. Now, what is repeat sentence? Well, as the name suggests, you will hear one short sentence and you have to repeat it verbatim, that is word for word. It will be the same. Now, let's see this question. PTE speaking section repeat sentence. What is it? What do you mean by repeat sentence? Well, it will be a short sentence, just about 3 to 9 seconds long audio, and anywhere between 8 to 16 words. And you have to repeat the same sentence that you hear fluently and with the correct pronunciation. So after you hear the audio, you'll just get about 3 seconds to prepare yourself before your time begins. So total questions will be anywhere between 10 to 12 or can be fewer also. Now, how is it scored? Basically, you will be scored in two modules, that is speaking and listening. And it is the highest scoring question in the speaking section. That is, it has 52 marks and it accords 32 marks to speaking and 20 to listening. So it's a very, very important question which you need to do well and do correctly. And also you're marked on some enabling skills. First one being oral fluency, second is pronunciation, and third is content. Now, one repeat sentence, therefore, is judged on a total of 13 points of enabling skills. How so? 5 points are given for oral fluency, 5 for pronunciation, and 3 for content. If you repeat the entire sentence correctly, you get full 3 points in the content part. But you get 2 points if you speak more than 50%. That is, you are not correct 100%. And you get 1 point only if you speak less than 50% of the sentence. What are the important tips and tricks? How should you go about it and understand the sentence? And then try to memorize it because you will not be able to take down notes as the time is very short. Speak all the words you remember, be very clear, be confident, and even if you forget, supposing you forget a few words or you miss a few words, you add other words to complete the sentence. Add your own words, add some fillers to complete the sentence and to maintain the fluency so that you get full marks in fluency and pronunciation, even if you lose 1 mark in content. Like supposing the question is, a scientific research is being carried out to land a rover safely on the planet Mars. Now, supposing you miss out a few words like safely, so that is okay. You can just say a scientific research is being carried out to land a rover nicely on the planet Mars. So instead of safely, you have used the word nice. Even if you miss 2, 3 words, you can use different words in the place to maintain the flow of the sentence so that you don't lose marks in fluency as well as pronunciation. See, who is judging you here? The computer. Who is giving you marks here? The computer. Everything is computerized. So you can carry on like this for to get good marks in fluency as well as pronunciation. You'll get full marks here. You might lose out maybe 1 mark for content, but at least you get full marks for fluency and pronunciation. So keeping that in mind, even if you miss a few words, add fillers of your own and complete the sentence. Okay. Now, there is no time to take down notes. So how should you go about it? Basically, practice, practice, practice. Only practice can get you full mark. Now, PTE repeat sentence practice, such as listening and repeating sentences, can improve your memory and speaking. Keep practicing, keep listening to podcasts, to movies, English movies, the programs. Listen to TED Talks, Australia, TED Talks, Britain, TED Talks, America. Just listen to these and keep repeating. Listen to short audio podcasts or audio sentences and keep repeating those so that you become well versed with the listening skills as well as speaking skills. So now what we'll do is let's practice a few repeat sentences.
If you show your student card, you will get a discount.
If you show your student card, you will get a discount.
At that time, people moved from towns to villages.
At that time, people moved from towns to villages.
Dense black smokes rose as demonstrators burned tires.
Dense black smokes rose as demonstrators burnt tires.
I'm going to transform my mathematics skills to the classroom.
I'm going to transform my mathematics skills to the classroom.
There is no reason to prove that boredom is necessarily bad.
There is no reason to prove that boredom is necessarily bad.
Students can download the materials on the website.
Students can download the materials on the website.
English word typhoon comes from the Chinese word big wind.
English word typhoon comes from the Chinese word big wind.
Campus tour will help you get familiar with the teaching facilities.
Campus tour will help you get familiar with the teaching facilities. Hope you got the gist of it, how to go about it. All the best and best of luck.